Hello guys, let's continue to learn the JavaScript. This session we learn how to define variables. So first, to define a variable we can use a let message, then we set the value like this, then we can print out the value. Next we can declare the define and set the value at the same line like this, then we are able to print out the value. Then we also can define multiple variables in one line like this. Use a comma, then put one let. And we also can set the value at the same time. We also can do like this, use the comma, multiple lines. Then we also can do this. The comma put the in front of the new line like this. We also can use the var. This is the old school JavaScript way of defining the variable. Then we can change the value by we set the value here, then we change the value like this. Then we can print out the value. We have two variables. Then we use the second variable to change the first variable. Then both of them are having the same value. So the name convention for JavaScript, the modern style, we prefer camel case, like user name. The user will be the lowercase, name the first n will be the uppercase. This is called camel case. So for number, they're like test 1, 2, 3, something like this. So make our variable meaningful. It's very easy to understand the code. Make your code more readable. Some weird case here. We also can use special character like $, to represent a variable. This one is legal in JavaScript. So we also can use the underscore for the variable name. So this one will be legal. It will output 3. Variable in JavaScript cannot start from number, so like this one is illegal. So for this case, in order to make our page work, we have to comment this line out. We cannot put dash like this inside the variable, so we have to comment this one out. So we can use special characters like this and the non-English characters for the variable names. It's legal but not recommended. So like the other languages, the JavaScript has its own reserved keywords like let. So let is the let. So this one is illegal. We cannot use variable let. The return, same. We cannot use return as the variable name. So we have to comment it out in order to make our page work. So if you don't use strict mode, this line is legal. So it will automatically define a variable and set the value for it, no issue. But if you use strict mode, this one will be illegal. So you have to comment this one out. And for const values, we can use const keyword. Define my birthday, for example. But we after you define the const and set the value to the const, while you declare it, you cannot reassign the value. You cannot change the constant variable. So we have to make this one commented, and this the constant variables are very useful for the colors, for certain times, for certain reserved content for your code. So something like color red and green, blue, orange. We can define the color set the value with the constant variable like this. Yeah, that's all for the variables. We comment out some illegal declaration for the variables. Now we save our code. it should be able to print out all the illegal outputs like this. So yeah, that's all for the variables. Thanks for watching.